Hello, everybody. In today's video, we will see from where we can get shape files data and how we can actually have also the other data from the given website. So here in our browser, we have to write humanitarian data exchange. Then in this website actually provides a lot of data for our research, including shape files and other data which we might be interested to look into. Then after typing this, we browse here in this website, and then we get here a search box, and we write, in our case, Ethiopia, and we click on search button. Then after getting into the search of this Ethiopia, then we get a lot of different data sets, including the shape files. So here at the first place, we can get Ethiopia subnational administrative boundary dataset, which is recently updated, including recently established national regional states like the Southwest Ethiopia National Regional State and Sidama Regional State. Also, it includes reshuffling in at Kabale or Wereda level at this time, actually. So we can simply download shapefile. It is provided in different format, but because we are interested in only shapefiles, we can get shapefile clicking here in this button. Because I have already downloaded, I won't click there, but you can do there, and you can go like download as a zipped file. Then you're going to extract anywhere that you would like to be, and then you go further analysis, looking my other videos, how we can read shape file in our environment, and how we can plot in different ways using ggplot or other plots. So moreover, this data set provide us different data types. For example, elevation data of the country, and price data, which is provided by FAO, and food price data and infrastructure data like the road network and education, for example, the enrollment rate, as well as education participation by sex or by different parameters is already provided. Also, the poverty data of the country is provided, which is provided by the World Bank group. So these data sources are somehow like articulated, and it's more or less valid data than maybe in some cases which we collected from the primary data sources. So also it provides like the health facilities and other data types like the population of Ethiopia by language, and different data types. If you are interested to look into more, you can browse, you can get into here, and you can go through the data sets, different data sets. You can look into different types. So the other data type provided here is like in terms of XL SX, which is the typical format of Excel, and the extension of Excel, CSV type, which is like comma separated values. So this both file type can be read into our system using normally in terms of R. We can use read XL and read CSV commands are there. We can easily read this type of data into our environment. Otherwise, Excel can open and show us what is inside every of this data type except shapefile and George send that data type, which are only, specific to the geospatial type of data. So this is all for this video, and in next video I will show you how we can get climate related data, either the historical climate or the future projections using different computer-based climate models. So please subscribe my channel and make your bell alert on to get notification whenever I upload new videos to YouTube. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.